Hello and welcome to my channel Explore Maths. In this video we are going to solve a very interesting algebraic problem. Here we have m plus n is equal to 8 and m times n is equal to 48. Then what are the values of m and n? So let us see its solution. So here before solving it, we will mark this equation m plus n equal to 8 as equation number 1 and m times n equal to 48 as equation number 2. So from equation number 1 we can get m equal to 8 minus n, and we will mark this equation as equation number 3. And now we will put the value of m from equation number 3 in equation number 2, so that here will be n into 8 minus n equal to 48. Then here will be 8n minus n square equal to 48. Are now taking these values to this side, it will be equal to n square minus 8n plus 48 equal to 0. So now, as here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation, so we will solve it further using quadratic formula. For that, the value of a is 1, b is minus 8 and c is 48. And the quadratic formula is, as we know, that minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now by putting the values of a, b and c, here n will be equal to minus into minus 8 plus or minus root of minus 8 square minus 4 times 1 times 48 divided by 2 times 1. That is now equal to 8 plus or minus root of 64 minus 4 times 48 is equal to 192 divided by 2. Now n is equal to 8 plus or minus root of minus 128 divided by 2. And now we can simplify this root of minus 128 in this way. It is same as root of 64 times 2 times negative 1. Now this is equal to root of 64 times root of 2 times root of negative 1. That is same as root of 64 is equal to 8 times root of 2 times root of negative 1 is equal to an imaginary number, that is I. So here we will put it, n is equal to 8 plus or minus 8 times root of 2i divided by 2. Now next step we will write here n will be equal to, taking 2 common from numerator, here will be 4 plus or minus 4 times root of 2I divided by 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled by this 2, and here we will get n equal to 4 plus or minus 4 times root of 2 times I. So from here we are getting two values of n, and 1 is equal to 4 plus 4 times root of 2 times I, and n2 is equal to 4 minus 4 times root of 2 times I. And now we will find the values of m using equation number 3, that is m equal to 8 minus n. So as here are two values of n, therefore there will be two values of m. m1 will be equal to 8 minus n1, and m2 will be equal to 8 minus n2. So now m1 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4 times root of 2 times I. Now m1 is equal to 8 minus 4, minus 10 plus is minus 4 times root of 2 times I. Now m1 is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4 minus 4 times root of 2 times I. That is the value of m. And now m2 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4 times root of 2 times I. Now m2 is equal to 8 minus 4, minus times minus is plus, 4 times root of 2 times I. Now m2 is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 4 times root of 2 times I. So here we have gotten two solution sets for the values of m and n. So here m1 and n1 are equal to, m1 is 4 minus 4 times root of 2 times I, when n1 is 4 plus 4 times root of 2 times I. And m2 and n2 are equal to, m2 is 4 plus 4 times root of 2 times I, and n is 4 minus 4 times root of 2 times I. And that is our final answer. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.